Are you tired of constantly switching between different tools and platforms just to find the information you need? Juggling multiple systems can leave you feeling overwhelmed and unproductive. But the search for intelligent integration stops here with Intellective Unity. Unity is the cure for disconnected data by seamlessly connecting users with information across multiple systems and providing organizations with connected CRM systems and business applications to one or more repositories, content, and workflow systems, federated content and workflow management, actionable analytics across multiple content and workflow systems, migrate and transform documents, metadata, and cases between various enterprise systems in real time, cloud-enabled framework that's easy to install, configure, and customize. Highly customizable, infinitely scalable, and amazingly versatile, Intellective Unity adapts to your organization's unique needs. Empower your business today with the strength of Unity, where integration meets efficiency. Visit our website to learn more and start your journey towards improving productivity and business decision-making.